Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, the 4th of February, and it's the first day of what will be 25 straight days of making a video vlog. And the reason for that is I'm trying to grow my channel, and to do that, one of the things I've picked up from other people doing video vlogs is to improve your subscribers and your views was to do a daily vlog for at least a month. So this is a short month. So I figured I'd do this one. I've got things I've got to get ready right now because we do have workers coming in again today to work on the trump wall. No, Mo, you can't go out. No, Mo, no, you can't go out. Okay. Okay. She doesn't like it when I block her out of that, but yesterday I was working on my canals and watering the yard from lake water that we get from a lake about 20 kilometers away. It comes down irrigation canals and feeds this entire valley with lake water. So one of the other things I noticed on the vlogs of the people that did daily vlogs was they walked around while they did their vlog and talked about stuff. Me, I'm not one to sit back and do a lot of talking. Yep, there's Tangmo. She's pissed off at me for leaving her, but I've got to open up the gate for the workers back here so they can come in and pick up the ironwork that they've been hauling over to the main property. But anyhow, like I was saying, you know, I noticed that a lot of them just walked around and talked, and for one, I don't walk real good or talk real good, so I don't know how in the hell to do this daily vlog stuff. But anyhow, this is day one of 25 straight days of doing this. So right now it's get this stuff done and then we'll do some more talking. Oh shit. I thought she was hung up on something. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, you had me scared to death. Are you excited to see Mama? Are you excited to see Mama?
Look at
it. She goes, I'm gonna protect this bed. No matter what, I'm gonna protect this bed. Oh, Mo, Mo.
Oh.
You crazy little dog. Oh. This is what I get to work on today. I gotta fill all that in with dirt from in there. Yeah, there's so much to do, so little time to do it. Oh, you ought to see the workers come over here and pick through this. I guess they take these when they're like this, and they open them up, and there's a nut inside there, and they chew on it. Well, I want those like that to start new plants. So get me some more of those trees. If I can keep the workers at them, we might be able to do that. This is towards the end of day one of my daily vlogs. I have one panel still to put up, and it's laying on the driveway right now. They're tack welding this one in pretty good. Then they're gonna move over to that next one and hoist it up. I'll get the whole thing about them hoisting it up there. But they're gonna be back the next probably 3 or 4 days and welding and painting this whole thing again before they start hanging the sheets of metal to build our wall, fence, whatever you want to call it. Prep work for the last panel. All I can say is these guys got big kahunas. There's no way in heck I'd be that high up in the air without some kind of a safety harness. Brave souls. Good welders though. Folks, as part of my daily blogs, whatever you want to call them, I've decided that I'm going to include a Weather Channel update. It is currently 85 degrees in Chiang Mai, Thailand. The high today was 88. The low was 65. The wind was just 2 miles per hour out of the southeast. So we had a slight wind change. The sun is supposed to be shining up until 6 o'clock this evening, and at which time at 7 p.m. it should be dark. No precipitation expected for the next 10 freaking days. I imagine that. And the temperatures are going to be just a tad under 90 degrees, and the lows are going to be in the high 60s. Compared to Ponca City, Oklahoma, where currently it's 59 degrees, the high was 60, the low's 38, and 14 miles per hour out of the south-southwest is the wind. Precipitation wise, it looks like 25% chance on Tuesday, 10% chance on Wednesday, and a 20% chance of Thursday. My guess, looking at these temperatures, is going to be snow. We don't have snow in Chiang. Well, shit, I really doubt if I asked them to put that back down and start over again, they'd do it. This is the last panel. And they just stuck it up there while I was doing the weather report. Look at that. Sucks city. This is it. They tacked this baby in. I got a hunch they're going to be going home for the day. That's an impressive looking wall. Trump would be proud. I need to send him this.